Are you struggling to find synonyms using your Word2Vec model in Python? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, and today we're going to explore how to effectively find synonyms based on your work. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your model returns words that are thematically related, but not true synonyms. You're definitely not the only one who has encountered this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Can I find synonyms of a word based on the work I have done with my Word2Vec model?" This is a common concern, and it's a great question to tackle. So, why does this happen? Word2Vec focuses on word associations based on context, which can lead to results that include related words rather than direct synonyms. Understanding this will help us refine our approach. Stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a powerful technique to enhance your Word2Vec model and get those synonyms you're looking for. To find synonyms using the Word2Vec model in GenSym, the user should first ensure that their model is properly trained. This is crucial for obtaining accurate results. Next, the user can utilize the model's most similar method to find synonyms. This method retrieves words that are closest in vector space to the target word. After retrieving the synonyms, the user should filter the results to focus on true synonyms. This can be done by checking the similarity scores. Finally, the user can visualize the results. This can help in understanding the relationships between the words and their meanings. Fun fact, did you know that the word happy has over a dozen synonyms? From joyful to content, the English language is rich with options. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to finding synonyms using Word2Vec involves importing the NLTK and GenSym libraries. First, download the Word2Vec sample data. Then, load the model using the GenSym library. Finally, you can find the top synonyms for a specific word, like cricket, by using the most similar function. Here's a pro tip. Always evaluate the synonyms returned by your model. Sometimes, a little human judgment can go a long way in ensuring accuracy. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to find better synonyms using your Word2Vec model. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips on Python and machine learning.